Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. Really do appreciate you all. Just a reminder, I do have a giveaway going on. We're trying to get up to 1,500, so please give that a gander. It's linked down below, and there's other information down there if you're interested. Today I have for you Beautyfix by Dermstore. Now, this box is huge. I have never seen a Beautyfix box this big before. Usually it's that big. So I don't know, it's twice as big. I don't know if this is going to be a normal occurrence or if this is just specific to this box, but let's get into it. Obviously, I never know how much anything costs. That will be on the screen. It is date night, which is why my hair is wet. And I still haven't styled it or put my makeup on or anything like that. You can see my date night purse in the back there though. So let's get into Beautyfix. Wow, I can't believe this box is so large. So this is what I see. You get a pamphlet. It does tell you what is in here, but I don't think it tells you the prices. I'm not seeing prices. So we shall see. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a Murad Hydration Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. That's cool. Murad is a really good brand. Let's see. It's a really big box for just that little thing. Let's see. Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. Okay. Wake up to a refreshed and ready for class complexion. That's all it says. And there's no price. I already said that there was no price. Anyway, that is that. And I guess maybe this is the reason that the box is so large. What is this? There's a lot of product in here, you guys. I don't remember how much this box is, but I don't think it's super expensive. And this is a huge, so this is what this is. Nice. Okay. So it's a water bottle, maybe a coffee. I think maybe just a water bottle or any kind of cool liquid. It is made of glass, and then it has this tubing over top of it. Let's read about it after I get the lid back on. The beauty essential that will change the way you hydrate forever. Okay, so it's a water bottle. Makeup and skincare do their best work on skin that's hydrated and glowing from within. So yeah, it's a water bottle. That's cool. I'm really sad that they don't give prices on here. Yeah, water bottle right there. But that's cool. I really enjoy that. The next thing I am pulling out is Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. And I know for a fact that this is not the large size. This is the travel size because I actually own this and I use it regularly, and I do have the large size, but this stuff is really good for eczema. I absolutely love this stuff. The next thing I am pulling out here is a sample perfume by Toka, and it is in Florence. I'm not going to spray that because I actually already own this. I do like it, but maybe I'll just go ahead and stick this in Jess's box. Sounds like a plan to me. The next thing I am pulling out here is Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture. It's a CC cream. Does that mean it's like a BB cream, CC cream? Let's see. Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. a leave-in conditioner that corrects, the mailman's here, that corrects 10 major hair concerns. Okay, so it is a CC cream for your hair. That's interesting. The next thing I am pulling out is Vichy Laboratories Lift Active Peptide C, reduces wrinkles and contoured look, firms and brightens. That's cool. Let's see if it says anything additionally in here. Nope, it just says delivers intense moisture for 48 hours. That's awesome. Definitely looking forward to try this. The next thing I am pulling out is this, and it is Erno Laszlo Hydrophil Skin Supplement. Lock in moisture and calm irritated skin with this alcohol-free toner. That's interesting. I've never heard of anything like that. Huh. Okay, let's see. Let's take a peek. Okay, so it's just a little tiny thing of toner. Let's maybe take a sniff. Doesn't really smell like anything, so I mean, that works. Okie dokie. It's interesting. The next thing I am pulling out is Verso Foaming Cleanser. Okay. I really wish they would give prices in here. I really wish that they did, at least for the full size, but the next thing, and it looks like the last thing I am pulling out, is by Josie Marin, and it's 100% pure argan oil. It's a lightweight face oil, hydrates sensitive and acne-prone skin. Oh, that's nice. That is exactly my skin type, so I will keep that and use it. Okay, you guys, so that was Beautyfix by Dermstore. This box hasn't disappointed me yet. I really don't remember how. I want to say it's only like $20, $24. And this was a huge box. So I'm really actually impressed with this box this month. That's really nice. I think we got a decent amount of things, and I think we got them in decent sizes. So, I mean, this, I'll tell you the big size of this, I can tell you that it's $38 because I own it and I've bought it twice. So, I mean, that's how much I use this stuff. And it is so great for eczema. So I can tell you that the large size of this is $38. This is the travel size, which is probably $15, if I'm remembering correctly. But I don't know. I think that this is some really good stuff, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and have a great day. Bye.